Here I have LENOVO TAB M8, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So firstly you should go to the upper bar, and here you can see this button, hotspot. So by tap on it once you can switch your hotspot. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. Here you can change hotspot's name. Here you can display QR code to instantly connect to hotspot. Here you can change security protocol. Here you can change password. Here you can set it to turn off automatically when no devices are connected, and you can also extend its compatibility. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.